What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be reviewing the AM8 Fifine Ampligame microphone. This is how the packaging looks like once you order it. A disclaimer: all these opinions, views concerning the microphone are all my own and they haven't been influenced by Fifine in any way. So this is the AM8 Fifine microphone. So it's a good budget microphone. So this is how the interior looks like once you unbox it. So it comes with this guide or a leaflet, so basically guiding you through how you connect it, how you connect the boom arm, the setting and everything. So it's just a guide on your brand new microphone. So I'll wrap that up quickly and put it on the side. So for you to be able to connect the microphone, if you're using an iPhone, you need an iPhone adapter. So this is the adapter. I'll put it aside. The adapter doesn't come with the packaging in the box. You have to buy the adapter separately. So this is how the microphone looks like. At the back there, it's got an XLR connection which you can connect to your console, your monitor or your computer, and then there's the USB Type-C connection there. So these two connections are what you can use to see if it's working or not. And then you've got a headphone jack there, right there, which you can use to monitor your sound quality. And then you've got these buttons there. So I hope you can see. So this one at the bottom is to reduce and increase your headphone jack sound. So it can go to maximum down there and you can reduce it. The same goes to this one, but this one increases or reduces the sound on your mic. So this is a close-up look on how it looks like. I hope you can see the details. So I ordered it in white because I just thought white would be cooler. So this is the part where you connect to your boom arm. So this is the boom arm that it comes with as a package. I should move it out of the box. So before I show you the boom arm, let me connect it so that you can get a good sound quality. So this is the cable that it comes with. On one end, which is the USB end, you connect to your USB adapter like that, and then on the other end you connect to your phone, which is the iPhone end. And then on the other end is where you connect to your Fifine. So like that. So it also comes with this cushion that you can remove like that. So it's just to make sure that your sound quality is good. That's why the foam is there. It acts more like a buffer. So that's how it looks like without the cushion. So right there you've got a mute button. So if you tap, but if I like that, you can give me now. So I hold it like that and it goes on. So if I hold it for another 3 seconds to go off. So I hold it on. So you can change the lights as well. Options. It's an RGB, meaning red, green and blue. So you can just change it to whatever color you want. So we leave it there. So I'm speaking into the microphone right now, so let me know on how the sound quality is. I'm pretty sure it's better than it was before I started speaking into the mic, but this is the microphone that we're going to be using going forward. So the other thing it comes with is this guy right here. So this is what you use to mount to your desk. So you can just unscrew it there, and then once you're done unscrewing it, you can just connect it to your boom arm. Let me just put the boom arm closer like that. So you connect it to the boom arm. So this part here, is what you connect here. It goes inside there, and then you can lock it if you want, or you can unlock it. So this is basically what it comes with. So this is connected, a clip connected to your desk like that. You clip it to your desk, you can screw it, so you can adjust by just rotating this. And then once you've unscrewed it, you just screw it to your desk, and then you connect your boom arm, and then also screw it to the microphone, which is on this end. So, and your setup is complete. So this is basically what comes in the box, the Fifine box. So I think it's a pretty cool microphone, a startup microphone that you can start with if you're a beginner, a gamer, involved in podcasts. This is a great budget microphone. So this is it about this video. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions about the microphone itself in the comment section below, and let's get interactive. So I'll check you out in the next video. Subscribe for more technology and money related videos, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.